up, everyone? It is the time of the year that I have been waiting for. We're going to race all day today. We got a whole line of cars. We're going to meet about another 20 cars or so. We are going to race all day down at the Miramichi runway. Last year I didn't have my car, but this year I do. Stingray. A lot of AMGs here. A lot of W204 C63s. There's the 458. Thing is loud. Another C63, another C63, GT4, Corvette, and GTR. So yeah, we're myself and the wife. The wife came. We're at the back of the pack just because I'm not going too fast. Can't keep up with all these guys. My wife is pregnant, so I don't want to be risky. So we're at the back, but we're gonna get there nonetheless. And I'll pull out the camera on the next stop. So we'll see you guys soon. Alright, so we just took another gas stop and met up with about another 20 cars or so. This is actually the Viper Club, so there's going to be quite a few Vipers. Here's a quick look. We're still waiting for some others to arrive. And then we're going to head down to the race strip. It's a little windy out here right now, so hopefully the sound isn't too bad, but got a Tesla. Got a whole bunch of C63s, Alfa Romero. Got some Ferraris up there. We've got the LP 610-4, the green Lambo down there. Absolutely sexy. And this Ferrari 488 has 22-inch rims. I mean, this thing is just fucking gnarly. The LP 610-4, D3, GTR, R8, and the 458. And the C63 is a fast one. I don't know much about. All right, guys, it's the first run of the day. I actually let go of the gas like twice. I hit 270 and I was my heart felt like it was coming out of my chest. Holy fuck. Holy Jesus. Whew. Oh, my heart is pounding. I have never gone that fast in this car ever. There was still so much runway left, and I let go of the gas, and then I was like, in my mind, I'm going, Jeff, you're a bitch. Start hammering it. What are you doing? I got scared, man. I got fucking scared. All right,
Next run, I won't be such a bitch. I'll pedal to the metal the whole way through. Man. I was way ahead too. I was way ahead. I was up against 2 other C63s and I do believe a 5-liter Mustang. So I wasn't like up against any GTRs or anything like that. So what a rush. All right, my wife's got my hat. She's a bit hot, so don't mind the little fro. Only got 1 or 2 more races in us. Woo! Bye-bye! Woo! All right, I went the fastest I've ever gone there in 272. Woo! And they all just keep going, man. They got no fear. I love it. I love it. I got to work on that, but that was my best, my top speed. And I know I could go faster, easily. You know, I'll be honest, guys. Before I ever owned this car, I was never much of a car guy. Like, I could appreciate a nice car, but now I truly understand why people love their cars, why people are so passionate about the brands they like and the experience they have, because it's not only just the smile that these machines put on your face, But being able to come to these type of events and mingle with other people that have the same passions, and everyone's just having a good time, and it's just positive energy, that's what it's all about. Like, it doesn't matter if you're driving a souped up Honda Civic or you're driving a 488. Everybody's here is having a good time. Nobody's judging anybody. Nobody's, there's no egos here. It's just amazing. It's so much fun, and everybody's kind of racing at their own leisure and, being safe, and it's just fucking wicked, man. Wicked.